My name is Kirk Cox, and I am the floor supervisor in the warehouse for Rooftop Anchor. It's a very integral part of Rooftop Anchor to have things in the shop running well, where pretty much everything we do is custom. We have to have a lot of things in order. One of the things we talk about is not letting the grass grow under our feet. As soon as an order comes out in the shop, we do everything we can to get it going, whether that's cut on the laser, cut on the saw, fabricated, going to the galvanized. A lot of communication has to occur, where we may have a 10-step process from the time the order is put in to the time it hits our shop. We're one of the last steps in the process, so we have to try and do everything we can to catch any mistakes and get them fixed in a very timely manner. So there's a lot of things that make the shop run, but it's really the people. It's really, at the end of the day, we can talk about metal, we can talk about plastic, we can talk about welding and blueprints, we can talk about equipment, but without the people, it's really nothing. If you have people on board that are competent and they enjoy what they do, then they care about their work. If they care about each other and their work, all of those things promote to having a safe work environment, which promotes having a quality product.